When you see this, this is chicken masala gravy. Do you like to prepare and see? Yes, we all love to see how it is prepared. So, what are you going to do? Come, we'll all get together and prepare this chicken gravy, masala gravy, right? It's going to be tasty. So, we'll get together and prepare. Keep watching carefully so that you also can try it out. Salt only first I put. I won't put even pepper also you can put, but we will see. First we will mix these two. Just keep for about 10 minutes, will you? After 10 minutes, we will put this into the bowl. Salt and saffron I have put. The water comes out from this. So take out the water first. Teriyaki sauce. Soy sauce. 1 dessert spoon only I am using. I have taken 250 grams of chicken. Tomato sauce also. This is if you like you put, otherwise you can omit all this. That's not a problem at all. Will be water coming out from the chicken. I am not adding water. I haven't still added any oil. Oil I will be adding but not immediately. Let the sauce gets cooked and mixed well with that. Only thing I have used here is salt and turmeric. That's all. We will go on with the rest of it. Evaporated. Now I am going to put a little oil. You know, generally when I put oil also I don't put too much of oil. So you can see what and what I am going to put. Cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Then I am using a little curry leaves and rump. Let the chicken get nicely stirred. You know, generally I don't like using the curry leaves straight away. Just break it into two and add. Then only the flavor comes. Now, see what I am going to do. Onions. Capsicum cut into rounds. Let the onions get cooked. A little bit stir fried. Cooked in the sense I want that to be stir fried. Now if I want I can put a little pepper and a little chili pieces. Minced cashew nuts. Now this is nicely cooked. We have to make a small gravy. We will off this now and see what I am doing. About half a cup of water. Coconut milk. If you don't want coconut milk, you can use fresh milk even, no harm. That even you can use. The masala mixture, that is onions, garlic, tomatoes crushed together. Still on the cooker. Salt. Bit of turmeric. Cumin seed powder. Coriander powder. Kashmir chili powder. Mix it nicely. Say about a dessert spoon of water. Slightly I want that to get thickened. Not a lot but slightly thickened. A little butter or you can have ghee. For this I didn't put any other ingredients. Now I put all this back again. Mix it and take it. I'll put the coriander leaves lastly. I just took it off the cooker and put the coriander leaves. I like these coriander leaves, that's why I am putting. But if you don't want to put coriander leaves, you can omit it. Shall we dish it out with gravy chicken masala with gravy and my version of it. Go with that. So what is it going with that? Coriander leaves, mint leaves you can use, and it's nice flavor, lovely. Please try it out and see how it comes. The cooking is an art, so I want you to cook. All your friends get together and cook and see how it comes. It's traditional, and you have to have the real nice way of cooking. Like cooking is an art, so next episode I'll come back with another nice recipe. Wait for that, so that I will show you something different.